Sanibonani Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KZN Podcast, my channel, your channel, everybody's channel. Today, we'll speak about Musa Mseleko. The show might have ended on Mzansi Magic. The show might have ended, but the show goes on behind the scenes. And Mseleko is here to actually dish up everything, and he tells us. So, the updates about Mseleko's Mpilo has graduated and we got to see her mother, but that didn't end well when Mseleko decided to thank Makhumalo only and then decided to crop uMakaMpilo biologically. Why? uMakaMpilo biologically esithombeni ake uMzansi ke wakhwela wadilika kuMseleko bemtshela ukuthi how toxic he is and how he doesn't appreciate, how he doesn't know how to run. Because yabona nje I always feel bad for uMseleko because ngathi nje yonke into eyenzayo ama-South Africans manje asefila, you know, some type of a way. You can't believe ukuthi uMseleko le ndoda le, when the first season started, was respected and everybody wanted to have his time and everybody wanted to see this family and everybody wanted to be part of the family, everybody wanted her own Mseleko, but scam indlela izinto nje sebekuhlela ku season 8, 9, something like that, seshintshile kakhulu. Naye uMseleko ke doesn't make things a bit easier for himself, you know. Uma ngabe posta nje khona sebethe ngeke baba lethi phone, you know, but uMpilo graduated sabona mama kanti abantu ba concern basho bathi no uMpilo washo wathi no, hayi uma mina nge right noma wami siyakhuluma, uma wacela iprivacy angihlale naye kodwa ngiyamthanda. uMpilo wafika kuMakhumalo ke na 5 years old, so ukhuliswa uMakhumalo. However, she says she still does go emakhaya hamba vakashela uma wakhe. The other news is the fact that uMakhwela had the child for real and the child looked exactly like usne. So into kaMseleko isasebenza akasaze ukuthi ushiba sendaba ka 2 minutes wayithatha nokuthi alivuki liyavuka nje kosamlamusa Mseleko liyavuka impela. uKhokhomelo Ndona 24 uMakhwela ukhiphile nje impela, wakhipha nje wambeka nje umntwana nje sibutubuzi nje sisifanele nosine nje. But then the updated information that we have is the fact that it looks like the wives have not accepted uMakhwela, so uMbali, uShebase, uMakhumalo, they still don't want her. However, uMacele has became umama okanye umamezala kuMakhwela because siyambona Musa uhleli nengane but uhleli nengane kwaMacele. So Macele is the one who accepted fully ingane ka Musa and imntwana ke uyafika uyavakasha eMzumbe nasesiphakhe kodwa ufikela kwaMacele because the other wives have decided ukuthi they are not still accepting uMakhwela in the show or out of the show. Nothing has changed. However, ingane sikhulile and uMakhwela uhappy uyayiposta ingane yakhe and siyambona futhi drive ehamba noMusa asho athi ke umuntu amengamphiwa inkosi. Guys, girl is in love and she is happy. And also Azangaleza Sithembu is coming back. Usho ukuthi sazombona ke futhi uMusa then ngoba manje ishow yengane zakhe ke isibuyile and isiconfirm ukuthi iyaqala ukuphela kwenyanga. So I think abantu bakaMseleko sizobabona ke lapho ke njengamanje sizikwenzakalani. It has also been confirmed that Mangwabe has a house now edolobheni ema-suburbs and but she's still around, but ke wathengelwa umuzi ke okusho ukuthi akasekho emakhaya, kanjalo noShibase naye akasekho emakhaya wathengelwa umuzi. Thobile into zakhe zihamba kahle, even though kuye kwaba nokhilizana between wakhe noMusa ubuke ngathi uMusa bekhuluma ngokungazali kwakhe, but uMusa wa clarify wathi cha bengabethi uMakhumalo into ayizele la akakayenzi wesho ukuthi akhomusa, but uMusa guys bekaqamba amanga bekakhuluma ngokungazali kwaMakhumalo. But according to Musa, yena noMakhumalo basabambisene, nothing has changed, base in love and bayathandana. So I said let me just come here and give you an update about the Mseleko's and what is happening. Congratulations to Musa Mseleko ekedeni ingane yakhe, kusho ukuthi uSamke uzoqhulula impela zizifike lo 20 le uMseleko afuna phela uMseleko wathi ufuna ingane ezo 20 lapha ya, nisiyakhumbula ukuthi uMakhumalo akakwazi ukuzala kwamanje, kusho ukuthi uSamke uyena osemncane masiqhulula ke zizifike 20 because uMangwabe definitely she won't do it.